Kung naghahanap ka ng hotel dito sa Dubai, lalong-lalo dito sa Ariga at hindi ka makapagdesisyon, pues panoorin mo to dahil may maire-recommend ako. And by the way, hindi to sponsored, hindi ko ako nakipag-collab sa kanila, bayad po to sa sarili naming pera. Namin, kasi may kasama ako kanina. Charis! And nandito ako ngayon sa Ibis Alriga. Lapit siya sa metro and the price is only 170 dirhams. So let's talk about the first impression. Yung lobby nila, okay naman siya, mabango, malinis, at saka madaming upuan. And for the staff, they are so friendly, lalong-lalo na yung mga receptionist, makiusap ka ng mabuti and they will give you a late checkout. Pero hanggang 2 p.m. lang naman, wag kang abusado. Here inside the room, of course, you have the bed, you have the TV, meron silang small fridge, meron silang safe box, meron silang iron and ironing board, and also they have coffee amenities, and also they have extra pillow, and also they have their TV pero hindi ko na ginagamit kasi nga I bring my own laptop with me. And by the way, sa kanilang bathroom, it's not bathtub, it's a standing shower. Well, I love standing shower, kaya okay na sa akin yun. And for the price that I paid, hindi na ako nag-expect ng bathtub. Kung gusto mo ng bathtub, Mara, syempre of course you have other option, you can book for other hotels, but this is for people who are in a budget. Halos 20 times na nga akong nandito, mga mare. That's why I'm recommending it to you now. Isa lamang sa mga hindi ko bet dito sa hotel na to is wala silang pool. Yes, mare. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng hotel na meron ding pool, hindi ka dapat dito. Around the area, madami kang mahahanap na restaurant, madami kang mahahanap na groceries, kaya hindi mo yun paproblemahin, mare. And what I really love about this hotel is syempre yung comfortable na bed, strong wifi, at ang kanilang aircon. Syempre, the cons is only yung soundproofing hindi masyadong malakas, and also the room, medyo maliit yung size, and wala silang pool, like uulitin ko. And the question is it worth it? Well, for 170 dirham, it is worth it. And minsan, during weekdays, mas mababa pa nga yung presyo nila. Would I stay here again? Of course, yes na yes, definitely yes. Uulitin ko po, this post is not sponsored. Baka naman. And wait, by the way, kung tatanungin nyo ako dito kung pwede ba ang bisita, the answer is yes. But, of course, for security reason, they need to show their identification. Kailangan mo na nilang ipa-scan ang kanilang mga ID or passports sa reception. And that is very important. Safety. Safety, safety. And for sure na wala namang issue, maki, kung yung bisita mong pupunta is kabit mo or ewan. Basta, hindi ka nila i-judge. So that will be all, and see you again to my next recommendation of hotel. Love ya!